we are here back, guys, and this is our first video.
Okay, and you guys also may be wondering why I look like a noob. It is because I basically lost my account. I forgot my password.
Yeah.
And I'm just using an old account.
Yeah.
But, anyways.
So yeah, guys, today we are playing mm2, guys. If you don't know what the point of the game is, so the point of the game, there's a murder, a sheriff, and innocent. And the job of the innocent
Wait, what
is
am
to...
I? Wait.
You have to wait.
Oh.
The job of the innocent is to... the job of the innocent is to, like, practically just...
I'm the murderer!
You are?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh, now I have to stay away from you.
Should I kill her?
You have to kill everyone.
Yeah, but
There's
should
no,
I? I'm
no
scared.
there's
Like,
no teaming.
I feel like people are gonna look at me. Yeah, I want you to team with me. Oh, no.
Ah! Coconut!
Oh,
Okay.
oh no.
Oh no! Sorry.
Technical difficulties.
Oh my gosh.
Oh no, I took a knife out.
Oh, you're killing people! Oh, there's a murder on the loose, guys. I didn't get to finish what I was saying. The
Yeah, so kill the person.
The innocence, part is to
I'm after you. I'm after you, innocent people.
So the innocent
the
people
sheriff.
just...
Did I kill you?
I don't... Me? You didn't kill me. But I don't know about the sheriff.
No, the sheriff, like, the sheriff gun is here. I can't get in.
I think someone probably grabbed it.
No, he's like, it's like right here. Like, oh no, he's gonna kill me. Oh no, oh no, oh shoot.
So the innocence part is to just walk around and find the gun dropped, and the murders part is to just like kill everyone.
If the sheriff gets killed.
Yeah, if. Did you kill the sheriff?
Yeah, but the guy got the gun. He like literally got the gun, and I don't know where he is. Oh, he's right behind me. Oh no.
You can like turn around and just like. Excuse me, dude.
I'm not ready to die today.
No one was. But you just killed all those innocent people. I actually haven't seen you all game. Like, only in the beginning I saw you.
Yeah,
because
I was about to kill you. Why does my knife keep going out? Like, it goes like back in. Oh, I killed you.
Ah, dang it. I died.
Rip. I feel like he's gonna be in here somewhere.
I'm lagging.
Oh no, but he's in here. Oh no. Oh no, he's right behind me!
I'm gonna spectate. I'm gonna see how Coconut is doing.
No, he's looking for the sheriff.
The sheriff?
Oh no, he like almost killed me because I stood still for a while. Did I kill him? Did I kill him? Oh my gosh, I was like so close, but I failed. My knife, like it keeps going like back in, like it does not let me. I can throw? Really?
Yeah.
I can't throw.
Yeah, you can.
I don't know
It's just a little updated. That's the thing that I don't really like. Like on computer, there's a new throw, and it's harder for you.
I forgot how to do it. I've told you I haven't been on this like for a long time, so it's been about a year or a few months.
Oh, you were so close.
Yeah, but my knife, that's what's bothering me. It keeps going back in.
I can't see how much time you guys need. Like, I can't see. Like, it only says spectating. It usually shows on the computer.
I can't
like,
throw.
Come on, get the blonde.
I'm trying to
get him. Get him.
My God.
Oh, that was so close.
Oh, yes.
You got him. Get the girl now. Get the girl.
I don't know how to throw.
Just run. Just run.
I don't know how to throw. Time's up. Oh, time's up. So she can't even kill me. So. Boo. The two sheriffs died, but
Yeah. GG,
Fine.
guys. GG. GG. Okay,
It was a murder.
yes.
Did I get any points?
I don't know. Okay, let's
Okay.
I'm a little laggy, so
I'm
okay.
just saying.
Okay,
I'm
which
so
map
bad
do you
at
want?
this game.
Factory, Bank 2, or Mansion? What does it say?
Let's do this one. I want to do this one.
Oh, yeah, that one got picked anyways.
Yeah, there's a bunch of people there, so.
Yeah. I'm a little laggy.
This is me, the one jumping. So you don't forget. Let's hope to be. What?
Oh my gosh, it was lagging and it said murder. I was like, oh my gosh. But no, it went to innocent. So I'm very upset.
I'm innocent too. Wait, where are we at?
Wait, where are you?
I don't know. Oh, we're at the same place.
Yeah, but where are you?
Like, I'm in the room. I'm down.
Ah!
Oh my gosh!
I died!
I saw who she is! I saw Manchalesso! Oh my gosh!
Did you die?
No.
Oh, okay. Okay, I'm gonna. Oh yeah, it's already spectating. Oh.
I see that
she
guy
lost.
that almost killed me. That he died too.
Yeah, she lost.
Oh,
she got
she
shot.
died.
Yeah, she
That
got
bad?
shot. Yeah.
I got a question.
Mm.
Wait, what? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh wow.
So
I hope that didn't hurt your ears because I'm kind of screaming.
nope. I'm still lagging. I still haven't gotten any
Let's go to
chance.
the secret room.
Oh yeah. Let's go.
The secret room. Oh.
Never mind. We didn't have time.
Will I be the murderer or sheriff? And I'm innocent.
I'm innocent 8% of being murdered?
I've already been murdered.
I haven't. Where are you anyways?
I don't really like this spot as much, but.
Oh, I see you.
We gotta stick together.
Yes.
Except when we're murdered.
Yeah, we're gonna stay far away from each other. I'm trying to. It's that girl over there. I literally saw her. I think it was a girl with the knife. No, it was a girl with the pink knife. Not me, obviously not. Because I didn't have a knife.
I don't see a knife on your
I literally saw. I saw something.
Is it that guy? Oh, I know which one it is. It's the pink hair girl, I think.
No, she had like a pink knife.
No, but because I feel like it is her because like I saw a brown knife, a brownish knife.
I saw someone take something pink out.
I saw her take.
Oh, someone died. It's that Xbox dude.
Oh,
I'm lagging.
I
died. This lag.
Why does it make us spectate? That's like my question.
Yeah, it just does it by itself. Like you don't even have to. Oh, they won already.
The sheriff killed him.
Yep, the sheriff saved the day.
I talk like this for the rest of the video. This is my British accent, even though it isn't that well.
I don't know why, but I always wish to have a British accent.
So
I don't know why.
I feel like this isn't British.
Okay,
it's probably gonna sound
Mansion
super bad
2
on YouTube.
Bank 2 or Hotel 2. I'm going with this one. The Xbox
We're staying off topic a lot. But it's okay. Where are you?
I already picked
your father's here. Okay. Oh my god!
It's the bank?
I'm innocent.
I'm innocent.
I really don't like the bank.
It's a
like
little bit
super
too big.
bad.
Yeah, it's a
It's
little
like
bit too
small.
big. For me,
And
it's big.
for me, it's small. Well, actually, it's kind of big.
Yeah, it
I
is.
feel like they move things around.
Oh, someone
my
died.
goodness.
Someone
my
died.
gosh. It's that guy that the sheriff, the second
Oh,
sheriff.
it's that guy. It's that guy.
I told you. I literally told
Run,
you.
run, run!
Run.
Ah, he's coming!
I'm the
This
gingerbread
lag!
man. Oh, I should have been smarter
The
and not go in
sheriff
there.
gun! Gun!
Go get him, boy. The boy got
There's
it.
60 seconds.
Yes.
Oh, no, wait. No.
Yes.
We won!
The sheriff got him.
Yay!
I can't move.
I didn't die.
The guy was sucked at being the martyr and then also being the sheriff because he didn't even kill me. I killed him. And the girl had her chance, but she didn't.
How many coins do I have right now?
I have, I don't know.
I only have a little bit of things. I only have
I had more things on my other account.
Yes, you did. I only have
I spent like
a little bit.
This is a secret between
There's new.
you guys and me. Don't tell my parents. But I spent about $300 on Roblox.
Yes, guys, she did. She got a little
But I
cuckoo.
also used it for you,
Yeah.
so don't blame me.
Got a little.
Like about 150 for each bus.
Each bus?
A bus. I said a bus.
Oh.
But am I? I don't think I'm anything. I think I'm just smarter.
No,
Okay,
I'm not
this
anything.
is getting annoying.
Oh,
My
hi,
friend said
Coconut.
that. My friend said that.
Oh my gosh. Oh, I thought that girl died.
Yeah.
Wait, did she die?
The sheriff gun was there. I thought the sheriff gun was there.
Gosh. Ah!
What's that girl?
No, it was the Xbox dude again.
Oh my gosh, he's right there. He's right there. Oh my goodness.
I think he had silent,
him?
like he had ninja. So you don't hear anything.
He's like right
I
there.
literally
He's tricking people. Oh, he killed me.
I didn't hear
He
anything.
killed me. Oh, my volume.
Okay, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video of murder mystery, guys.
I hope you're not cringing a lot. Nah, like we're kind of weird.
Yeah, we are, to be honest. We all are weird in a way. Okay, guys. So subscribe if you're not subscribed, and like this video if you want more. Also, guys, comment down below of what other videos we should make, guys. I hope you have a great day, guys,
and
like
enjoy this.
Yeah. Like the girl, she said, I love this game. I don't actually, yeah, I kind of do like it. It's a good game. I'm just not really good at it. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
Bye-bye.